Hey, I'm David from Hybrid Racing. Let's talk about shifters and cables. Some of the most popular parts that we make are our shifters and shifter cables, specifically for K-swap cars. For over 20 years, we've been designing and developing the best performance short shifters on the market. We now have over 30 different SKUs that apply to anything from 88 Hondas all the way to the brand new Civic Type Rs. For the K-Series swap cars, we have a few specific shifters that do a few specific things. One, the K20 Z3 style transmission has its own bolt-in shifter that mounts in from underneath the car. No cutting required. You can use all your factory console and parts. Or for more of a motorsports race car feel, you can mount a shifter to the top of the tunnel using our adapter plate. Being the shifter is one of the only things you touch inside the car, it's important to put the shift knob right where you want it. All of our shifters are adjustable in height. You can spin the knob 360 degrees, or you can lengthen or shorten the throw depending on what you like. You have a lot of transmission options when it comes to K-Series swap cars. Thankfully, we've put together a list of custom shifter cables that help you combine the right shifter with your right transmission so that it fits the project you're working on. Factory Honda shifter cables can be hard to get. They may not be the right size, or they may be discontinued entirely. So if you've picked your engine and gearbox and you've picked your shifter, now you need the right cables to connect them together. We have specific sets of shifter cables that are made for K-swap Civics using either a bolt-in shifter or a top-mounted shifter and a variety of Honda K-Series transmissions. Our pre-calibrated cables feature custom end links. They can be custom lengths, and they fit a variety of different shifters and transmissions. If you want to learn more about what shifter and shifter cable setup is right for your car, be sure to check us out online, hybridracing.com.